Ndi papa Sava.
Noneho ibintu birakomeye. Ubu ngubu kwisobanura ugiye kukugobora. Umva. Tubonye abashyitsi b'abazungu.
Abaki?
Abazungu.
Uyu tata.
Baje
mo hano.
Ego. Baje ahangaho umva baravuga icyongereza n'umwe w'umuzungu n'undi w'umunyarwanda ariko w'umuzungu aravuga icyongereza neza wagira ngo yamize bush. Niza. How are you feeling funky? Oui.
None se kutabakiriye.
Ngaho nyumvira amahoro. Kandi bambwiye ko ariho bashaka.
Ayiwe tata gusa ndabavugisha.
Okay. Ubwo nyine no kuvuga ngo ahubwo
ngiye ubwo Yesu we ubuse ndavugana iki? Okay. Bahe karibu mpamagare papa Sava nawe nta
Sava n'umufaransa. Ariko nagenze nkagufasha ku cyongereza amaze kugera ku rwego rwo hejuru cyane buri.
We bahe karibu nta kibazo.
Ngano.
Bahereze karibu nyine nta kibazo.
Nese baritse nkakwigisha utuntu waza gukoresha vuga.
Mvuga iki niki?
Ugomba kubuza utuntu twibuzo twa fine fake you.
Yego.
Ugomba kubuza ukuntu ka
hari akantu nigeze kumva ngo sit down.
Sit down kandi baza kuba bica ariko Sava kuki ukira n'ushaka no kugenda
wakira abana.
Sit down umuntu yicaye umubwira sit down se kumubwira wari kama ahubwo. Noneho bazanaga kakondi ko kubitanya ugakombe ni cheers. Babwira binjira.
Yego nta kibazo.
Tunda twemenyera.
Wowe uramba hafi kugira ngo ataza kuvuga ibintu bikanyura.
Ndajya mu hafi. Wumva nawe bigucanze itumagara.
Nta kibazo. Babahe karibu nta kibazo.
We wake up. Yes.
Mwaramutse. Yazi Kinyarwanda. Mwaramutse.
Mama Sava.
Hi. How are you? Mezute.
Imeze neza. Ni karibu.
Murakoze.
Thank you very much.
Turamahoro. Namwe mumeze neza se?
She was asking if you are also good.
Yeah, actually good. You're doing good. How are you?
Now we don't know how ameze neza.
Now yakira abashyitsi. Mwakira abashyitsi nyine mubaze ikintu.
Mu buryo bw'akabari se cyangwa bakira mu buryo
bakira mu buryo bwanjye nta kibazo.
What are they trying to say?
She's asking if they can give something to change.
Okay.
But I think we can start with introduction.
Introduction? Okay. It's okay. Ugiye kubanza kwibwira ko ndakaze.
Abavuze iki?
Agiye ko kwibwira.
Sinuba se mu buryo bwako. Njye nitwa Deni. Uyu mushuti wanjye rero you can say your name.
Okay. My name is Ezekiel. I'm from England. Actually, I have different parents. My one parent is a Rwandan and another one is from England. Yeah, so actually, I was just coming here to tell you some good news. Like I've been looking for a woman that I can maybe get pregnant for me and we get a child or something else. And yeah, thank you.
Yitwa Ezekiel cyangwa diaspora yavukiye mu Bwongereza. Umubyeyi we mama we n'umunyarwanda hanyuma papa we n'umwongereza.
Mama wavuka he?
Where is your mother from?
Actually, my dad, he's from England. My mom, she's the one from Rwanda.
She's asking where your mother is.
District.
I heard, is it Ngororero? But yeah, something like Ngororero.
Ngororero.
They say, how
she's from Ngororero too.
Who? This?
Yeah.
She's from Ngo?
Yeah, that's ready. Ngororero.
Mubwire ko nayo mvuka Nyaruguru sha.
He thinks he's from Nyaruguru. Nyaruguru, it's another district from Rwanda.
Okay. He's from
Nyaruguru, yeah.
Okay.
Nabashije gukona ko.
Ibyo sura bibasha kubivuga.
Thank you very much, Ezekiel. What do?
Yeah, that's what I was telling.
Okay.
Is it about drinks or something?
No, she's going to introduce herself.
Okay, she's going. Okay, thank you.
Njyewe
gerageza mu cyongereza.
mu cyongereza ndabizi umva rata mubwire ngo njye nitwa mama Sava.
Okay, she's saying her name is Mama Sava.
Mama what?
Mama Sava.
Mama.
As in they have a child that is
not
called Sava.
not cassava.
kugira ngo abyumve ntago ari kubyumva. Mubwire ngo yitwa Mama Sava umugore wa Papa Sava.
Her husband is Papa Sava.
So
it
which
means they have a child.
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting there. Yeah, they have a child is called Sava.
Mama Sava dutuye hano imbana n'umugabo n'abana babiri uyu ni umukozi wacu yitwa Manolo.
Ntabwo byari ngombwa ariko. Manolo.
That is the maid. It's called Manolo.
The guy is the maid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ntabwo ariko none surashaka ko mvuga kuri uri boss ya
umuntu hano gusa bihagije.
uri umukozi genda uzana icyo kunywa tugabanya amagambo kandi yego rata haguruka aho ngaho ndi kubona wamenyereye
ndi gutuma mabuja ndi gutuma icyo bari
Manolo is so stubborn.
Okay, his name is Manudi.
yego tubakirisi icyo kunywa
Which comes from Emmanuel, something else?
God is with us.
Okay, God is with us, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
tubakirisi icyo kunywa
Yes, something to drink.
Something to drink?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
So
okay.
we
Can
have,
get me
all kind of beer and soft drink and hard drink.
Actually, for me, I have not yet known the drinks from the cultural drinks from Rwanda. Maybe can they get me a wine?
Ntabwo wowe yamenyereye nyine ibinyobwa byo mu Rwanda ariko niba hari wine nyine
Urwo ko dufite urwagwa rwiza hangara kubise dufite n'ubushera buryoshye cyane.
Natural beer. It is called urwagwa.
Yes,
It is made from banana.
Yeah, actually, for me, I can test something that I don't know. You can just give me a wine, any wine. It's okay.
So yeah, ntabwo ngo yanywa ibintu nyine atamenyereye atazi.
ntabwo bimutera mu ndu urwagwa rwa rwose reka nkubwize
Byaba
ukuri
byiza nko muhaye akawayini.
akawayini wayini zirajyana
Ayindi zirahari.
genda uzane wayini
Yes, they can get me a wine.
Yeah,
banza uzane wayini zana wayini yababi gira vuba vuba ni ukuri n'ikaze mu rugo rwacu ndaje mpamagare Papa Sava rwose mubwire ko twagenderewe n'abanyamahanga.
ni wowe yaraje kureba wenyine.
Ni njyewe njyenyine.
Ndi naje mwerekeje kugira ngo nyine nsemure kuko na mu mwanya ahubwo agatangira akavuga.
Nawe se turuka aho hantu yarari kuvuga ngo aturuka.
Oh yeah, ngiye ndo hano rwose kameme.
Reka da uvuga umwana
So we have a big problem. There is only red wine. There is no problem.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, red wine is okay. Yeah.
So we need to kwigisha
Tuza ndabyikurikirana.
Yeah, red wine is okay. It's okay, red wine.
ndumva zicyongereza.
Ubwo rero Papa Sava numva atari ngombwa guhamagara umugabo wawe ahubwo ndumva naha mugenzi wanjye umwanya nyine akavuga ikimugenza. I'm saying that you can tell her what we came here for. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, actually.
While we are waiting for a drink, you can be talking.
Okay.
Translate.
Thank you very much. As he was telling you, he's my friend. It has been a long time without meeting, but I had a plan to come here in Rwanda, and I told him my purpose to be coming here. It was all about all the problems that I had. There in England, to get pregnant a woman is not easy. It takes a lot. It takes a lot for sure. And so I decided to come here in Rwanda, to come back to my...
Can you please stop so that I can translate?
Okay. Before you forget, okay, you can start. Okay,
arimo aravuga nyine ngo yaje mu Rwanda agenzwa nyine na gahunda itoroshye. Rero hariya mu Bwongereza kuba haba gutera umuntu inda ntabwo biba byoroshye. Gutera inda hari umuntu ntabwo biba byoroshye, bisaba nyine ibintu byinshi, umwana kumutegurira ntabwo ari ibintu byoroshye. Hariya ubuzima bwabo buba buhenze, kurera umwana biba bihenze, rero urumva ko gutera inda ni ikintu utapfa gukora uhubukiye nyine. Rero yeah, you can continue.
Okay. As I was telling you, to get someone to get pregnant for you there in England is something very strong that you have to be thinking about, and actually it takes a lot of time. So I decided to come here to come back to my homeland, bro. So, and I decided to come here and look for you and give you my proposal. I'm ready to pay everything for someone who's going to be getting pregnant for me.
Okay. Rero nkuko yakubwiye nakubwiraga hariya nyine gutera umuntu inda bigoye bisaba ibintu byinshi cyane. Ni mpamvu yahisemo kugaruka hano mu Rwanda kugira ngo ashaka umuntu wamutwitira. Umuntu yatera inda. Okay, you can continue.
Njyewe se ashaka?
Oya buretse akomeze ibyo ashaka nanjye nagarabimbwira neza.
So
Ariko manu ibirahure
this is for you.
Okay. Urakoze cyane.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
They say urakoze, it means thank you.
In Kinyarwanda they say
urakoze.
Yeah, I had some of those words. There is muramuse, there is murako.
Muramuse it means good morning.
Okay. And murakose means thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers, by the way.
Kugenda ndi kuganira n'abashyitsi haguruka ugende utegura ibyo kurya vuba vuba.
Bakana ndimo kubiryo gusobanura nawe.
Ntabyo nshaka urumva uriya muvuga atazi cyane.
Actually,
Haguruka.
can we put it here?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Manu wadufasha meza.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very
Urakoze.
much.
Is this fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
Manu genda yamushoza na inanze guteka. Vuba vuba manu. Mu minota itarenze 30 twakira.
Anything you want, call me.
Okay.
Yes, Manud.
Yeah, thank you.
Yego mama.
Nkuko nakubwiraga nyine ari gushaka umuntu yatera inda kwa ko hariya biragoye. Yiteguye kwishyura ibishoboka byose. Ni mpamvu afite proposal, afite ibyo nawe ashaka gutanga kugira ngo nyine uwo muntu mu gihe byaba bigoranye kabyemera abe yabyemera. Ubwo ngubwo you can continue.
Okay. As I was telling you, my proposal is this: to someone who's ready to get pregnant for me, I'll be paying 500 million cash straight away after confirming that she's pregnant. So, okay, you can tell
Okay,
me.
thank you. Ari kuvuga ngo nkuko yakubwiraga yiteguye kwishyura umuntu nyine wakemera kumutwitira. Hanyuma akimara
ko se ntarababaza mutarasoza wenda kumbwira uwo muntu akeneye kamutwitira ko mwakomeje kwimbwira ni njyewe.
Oya buretse ntabwo nagaravuga ngo ni wowe cyangwa undi. Ngiye ndi kuvuga ibyo ambwiye.
Nge sinzi impamvu ari njye mwaje kubwira ibyo bintu ariko murabizi ko nubatse.
Reka banza kubwira icyifuzo cye. Wenda wasanga ashaka ko namurangira undi.
Wenda namurangira undi.
Reka dukomeze.
Mumbwira ubwo
mwanya. Ngenda avuga ibyo uvuga nyine we numbaza nzanye mubariza nawe nta kibazo. Reka banza avuge.
Is there any problem?
No. I'm telling you that if she has some more questions, you can answer her later.
Okay.
Yeah, after
fine.
telling her your proposal.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yarimo aravuga ko rero proposal yiwe umuntu wakemera kumutwitira yamuha miliyoni 500 ubwo yaba bamaze gukonfirma yuko atwite. Umuntu wakemera nyine kamutwitira miliyoni 500 kimara gupima ugasanga uratwite ahita yaguha
miliyoni 500.
miliyoni 500 y'amanyarwanda.
Nta nubwo ari miliyoni 50, miliyoni 500.
500 gatanu na 0
Iyo nanjye ndayitwara.
Ubwo ngubwo rero
iyo rwose reka nkubwire nta n'undi namushakira ayo mafaranga uzi ko nahita Yesu we nahita njya yego mani ishobora byose miliyoni 500.
She said she can do it.
She's ready?
Yeah.
Wow, it's okay.
Oya
But we
mubwire
forgot something. The other guy man would help us. I think we can buy him
Something?
Yeah, something to drink.
ariko banza mubwire ngo
Yeah, it's okay.
njyewe n'impanga nazibyara nashaka n'impanga.
Can even give birth to twins.
Oh wow, it would be very perfect. Wow, thank you very much. I'm very happy. So you can as long as he's agreeing with it. Yeah, it's okay. Let me look something for Manu.
Yeah, Manu.
Yes.
Kugeza abantu nagarutse. Ndashaka kugira nyine ko
Let me give you something.
Give me something.
Ashaka kugira kana guhawe nyine kugurira
hamburger. Ujye kumwita hamburger.
Hamburger ni iki?
Ikintu cyavuye mu Bwongereza.
kitwambaga
yaba twakire neza nyine yari yavuze ko gushimira mu
Okay, actually, I do have those money that I have told you. I have cash, but I have something that I have to
there is
give
some
to.
change.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I remember. Mano,
imanute mu muko
you are a good guy. Actually, you are helping me to achieve my
You
dreams
can give him all.
without counting. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
You can keep it. Yeah.
Why gumana nani mpamvu yo kubaranya.
Yeah, it's okay. No, there's no reason to
Twakiriye
count.
neza.
Yeah.
It's a tip.
Yeah, it's whatever you can call it, whatever that you want.
manu zikahuye n'umushahara
So, as
gusa nzaguhemba ku kwezi
Aho nyumvira. Nese tip nyine bamaye.
baba guhemba
as I was telling you,
Yes.
I'm ready. Yeah, this is the money
aya
that.
mafaranga yose n'ayanjye
No,
Yeah.
that's this is the money that we take so that in case we need something we can buy, we can pay. Yeah.
Ubwo nabavuze mu cyongereza bavuga ngo ariya nayo ngo yakoresha icyo ushaka nyine.
Oh, sorry. Aya ni amafaranga twitwaza kugira ngo nitugira akabazo nyine tube twagira.
ntago ari za miliyoni 500.
Oh yeah.
Subira guteka sibaguhaye tigo. Subira guteka.
Nese mugiye kugurisha.
Se genda. Subira guteka ugabanya amagambo.
Ariko ushobora gukandagira nk'inyanya. Ni amafaranga nyine.
Aya ni amafaranga yo kwishyura inyanya mu kadari.
Imodoka igupfiriye akabazo kose wagira nyine.
Hakuzi ko kuri isi haba.
Ubusa amayinite ashize ntiwagura amayinite.
amayinite.
Amayinite ashize ntiwagura amayinite.
Aya mafaranga yose nakugura amayinite.
Utuntu nyine tworoshye paka bizaza iminsi zishira.
Se baba ko. Nuko. Mubwire rero ko nabyemeye.
She's saying she's ready. As she said earlier, she said that she can even give birth to twins.
Okay.
Yeah.
That made me happy for real, and I'm ready to get her pregnant.
Okay. Yiteguye kumutera inda.
Like it's like.
Nta kibazo pe. Nta kibazo.
Can you ask her for me that is her husband around here?
Oh, okay. Ari kubaza umugabo wawe ari hano nyine.
Uyu mugabo wanjye nta kibazo. Nta kibazo pe.
He's not here.
He's not here.
Yeah, we can talk about business without him being interrupted.
Yari yambwiye ko agera hano nka saa 10
Is she in days of getting pregnant that you can do it right now and I get her money or
Okay, uri mu minsi y'uburumbuke ku buryo nyine gushyize ku madirigite nyine watwita.
Ariko ntabwo nzi kubibara. Ariko ubwo iminsi y'uburumbuke nshobora kuba nyirimo ariko ni nkaho naba nyirimo. Nyine inda yakwinjira uko byagenda kose.
Akazi nyine ya miliyoni 500.
Mubwire wowe ko inda iri bwinjira uko byagenda kose.
She's saying it will work.
Birakora.
She's saying it will work. Oh. Wait.
yeah, actually it looks like it's raining, right?
Wait a moment. The driver is calling.
Okay.
Hello? Oya turakicaye ntabwo turasoza ibyo turimo. Ugiye kugenda se? Okay, ndumva rero twakuzanira amafaranga ukaza kudufata tugiye gusubira turusubije boss kuri hotel. Okay, nta kibazo ubwo ngubwo reka nguzanire amafaranga. The driver is saying he's about to leave. So that he needs money to do maintenance for the car.
And for me to keep on opening, removing those passwords, it's not easy for me. Like, okay, would you ask her if she's able to, like, can render some,
Okay,
like, 1M or something else? I'll be giving her, it's okay.
ariko gihe tuba dufite umushoferi watuzanye yaparitse hano hanze iragiye kugenda gukoresha imodoka n'utundi tuntu nyine aragaruka kudufata nyine murangizanije ibi ngibi rero byarambiye ibintu byo gufungura abona hano briefcase ifungurwa n'ibintu by'ibikode no gukandakanda yarambiwe ari kuvuga ati mubwire no mubaje niba afite nk'abo nka miliyoni imwe aba yamaye mu gihe tukirimo turavugana n'ubundi mbere yuko ngenda ndaza gufungura muhereze nka miliyoni 3 abona akanyungu nawe
ariko ntabwo nyafite cash nyafite
kuri telefone uya wagira wabashye kuri nimero yanjye
ubwo umushoferi mu mwishyura miliyoni ariko kirimbuzi
amafaranga ntabwo nyambaye nitukura ngana
ubu yo icyo kirake mu cya kirimbuzi sha
kirimbuzi nini
yababa we nacyo
uzane nshyiremo nimero yanjye uyashyireho ngende duhereze umumotari hanyuma ngaruke dukomeze
akira ubwo bishyiremo noneho kuri telefone ndahita nyohereza gusa nta kibazo ngo urajye kugenda ari amamiliyoni 3
kumutije
mana yanjye pasava ntanyira pe
shyiramo pini rero ubwo ngubwo najya kuvugisha umushoferi
nta kibazo rwose nta kibazo pe
ubwo nikavugisha umushoferi naje
nta kibazo
to talk to the driver and
Yeah, it's okay. Go, okay,
So I will be back,
okay. Go and pay him,
Yeah.
and tell him to go. And I had a command that I took to the other hotel,
Yeah.
which is in Kaki. Is it Kaki or
Yeah,
Kaki?
Kaki.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kaki.
And tell him to go and take my suit. It is there in dry cleaner. So I have to be wearing tomorrow in the meeting, right?
Yeah, I'll be back
Okay.
in 3 minutes.
Just be quick.
Ndagiye mu minota 3
Just be quick.
nta
maze
kibazo
mvugisha umushoferi
ubusa ndabasha kumuvugisha ra
oya mwe mureba ndagira
kandi mureba gusa nta kibazo
Mama sa.
mama sava njyewe mama sava
Nice to meet you, Mama Sava. Nice to meet you. Yes. And okay, how old are you?
papa sava wiriwe neza ni karibu
Hi.
wiriwe neza
Wiriwe.
yego
Makuru.
ni meza none se waduha umwanya nandi kuvugana n'uyu muntu ari kumwe na mugenzi we babonye ku irembo nandi kuvugana nabo waba uduhaye umwanya gatoya tukarangizanya nta kibazo
And who is this guy?
umugabo wanjye
Who?
papa sava
That one is Papa Sava. So,
stupid
so, which means he's okay.
tete vide
His brain.
brain no brain
Which means his medulla oblongata is tweaking.
tete vide
Okay. Okay, he's mad.
ntabwo ndi kubyumva ariko nibyo
Okay. So why can't you take him to the hospital? Why can't you take him to the hospital? If he's stupid. And you're telling me that his medulla oblongata is not working.
papa sava mama sava
Papa
Sava.
Sava, brainy, stupid. Yeah, for you don't like to drink wine. For you don't like to drink wine.
wine
Yes.
wine
Yes, wine. So are you ready for me to pregnant you? Are you ready for me to pregnant you so that you can get pregnant? Yes, and give you money. Is there and
kibazo
is there and I? Okay. Good.
good
Good.
gutyo
No, like I'm asking. Are we doing it today? Like, actually, yeah, because
twita iyi gutya
is that your stupid money? Is he not going to be hearing us? Are we going to be doing it outside?
ntabwo ndi kubyumva pe ibintu uri kumbwira nyine
Which means your stupid husband, he doesn't even listen anything. Mom Sava, like
Mama Sava.
I'm asking you, like, can we do it today and I get you pregnant?
You gutwita nta kibazo.
Yeah, I'm giving you money.
Amafaranga urayama.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Good.
Really?
Nta kibazo rwose. Cyakemutse icyo ngicyo. Cyakemutse pe. Icyo cyo rwose nta kibazo.
Like, where is the toilet?
Eh?
Where is the toilet?
Toilette.
Yeah, maybe toilet where I can go.
Toilette. Hari iri hano? Hari n'iri hano.
Which means you have two toilets.
Ubwo uvuze?
The one from here and... Okay, actually, let me just use the one from outside.
Eh?
Let me just use the one from outside and I'll be back, right?
Ugiye hese?
Outside for... And I'll be back.
Eh.
Yes.
Urahamenya? Uzemera ifaranga nta kintu amafaranga akubwiye.
Papa Sava is stupid. Papa Sava is no brain. Papa Sava, what? Yes, you can pregnant me. Yes. What? How ugira ubwenge?
Uziko bambwiye ngo barampa miliyoni 500 kandi zirimo hano.
Utangira kuvuga ko nta bwenge ngira.
Buriya se nabyo nabivuze. Manudi niwe wanshutse ambwira ngo ibintu ndibuze kuvuga.
Stupid ni igiki?
Nuko Imana ntago.
No brain ni igiki?
Nyine aravuze ngo brain akora ku mutwe, mpita numva ko brain ari umutwe.
Wagicucu. Ubu urifata ukavuga ngo ugiye kubyarira ngo abandi bagabo ngo bagwaye miliyoni zingahe?
None se amafaranga si menshi.
Fungura.
Cyananiye.
Igeze kuyifunguraho.
Yayifunguye hejuru harunzeho ibifaranga.
Igeze kuyifunguraho.
Ihuziyemo ibifaranga umva. Ntabwo wabibara ngo birangize. Sava urayifunguye? Gawe ibyo bifaranga Sava. Yesu. Ariko aba abantu babaki ariko fungura asanga bamufunguriye ibintu.
aya amafaranga uvuga yuzuyemo amafaranga bagiye bafatanyisha siparada bakwemerera ngo miliyoni zingahe kugira ngo bagutere inda ngo bakwemereye miliyoni zingahe
papa sava none
agiye
yaragiye hanze kuri tuwarete ubu se miliyoni mbahaye miliyoni kuri telefone
ndambwira ko amafaranga nakoherereje ariyo utanze
basava ni izina ry'Imana
ni izina nagutaba nkageza hejuru y'amaso siko musetse andi ari hehe
barayajyanye baba we bana ayica no safaranyica we
agiye kuyatubara n'amasanga
yarasotse agiye kuyo hanze papa sava wahamagaye bakayahagarika
amagara se bisaba guhamagara za mutungo
mbabarira uyahagarike nyashyize kuri iyo nimero iri hejuru
ngombwa nimero gushyiramo
mbaye miliyoni n'ibihumbi 15
82 karindwi 3 Kuki ayabikuje kabisa mama saba uko byagenda kose sinite mu bindi bintu wari ugiyemo kuvuga ngo ugiye kubyarira abandi bagabo ngo baguhe amafaranga ntabyo nitayeho ubwo bugoryi ubwo buhinene ntabwo mbwitayeho nkeneye miliyoni yanjye nkoherereje kuri telefone
izina ry'Imana nsigaranye 6,000 kuri telefone ngwino yarebe basi
wintetaho ntujya ujya gukora amakosa ujya uzirikana yuko n'isambu y'iwanyu itavamo 400,000 uranyumva neza nkeneye amafaranga miliyoni nakoherereje mu gitondo nyabunanga
usurano ndabigenza ne
gushaka undi ugutera inda nawe ushaka gutera igihombo uzane miliyoni yanjye genda ujya mu mbuto dushaka hano wajya mu mujyi ukajya he ushaka abantu usenkani bagutera izo nda unzanire miliyoni ya zanjye gira vuba ndi papa